Now we've already seen one rule. When we created our expected exception, we used a rule that basically let us check for exceptions. But I'm going to show you another rule, and this rule is the timeout rule. What we can do with this rule is first we have to declare it, and it's called a timeout. We'll call this timeout and do a new timeout. We'll make this be just 20 milliseconds instead of 200. So this is going to apply to the entire test class. We can basically get rid of this timeout, and if we were to run this entire class, let's do that. We can actually run tests from here as well. So we're going to do the tracking service tests, run as JUnit. You can see that the bad test fails, and if we expand this, you can see that it timed out after 20 milliseconds. And just to prove that this works on multiple tests on everything in this class, let's go ahead and make another test that will be slow. I'll just copy this code into one of our good tests right here. And now let's run this again. Now you can see that this one is failing as well because now this one is timing out. So all of our tests are having that same amount of timeout being applied to them. And that's really the power of the rule, is just by declaring that one field here with this rule annotation, it's applying this rule to everything inside of our class. So you can see that this is really powerful. If you want to find out more about the built-in rules, you can go over to the JUnit GitHub page. Easiest way to get there is just to go to junit.org and then go to the wiki. And from here, you can see there's a whole section on rules. It explains what each one of these rules are and what rules are available and how to use them.